Welcome back to the series on how to make a pattern repeat from handmade artwork in Photoshop. I am Soumya, an aspiring pattern designer. In this video, I'm going to share how to upload and test your pattern on Spoonflower using this new proofing feature on Spoonflower. This feature is really useful and I absolutely love it. This is my Spoonflower shop and my shop name is SS Pattern Design. So let's get started. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of your shop page and select Upload your designs. Click Choose Files, select your design and hit Open. These are the terms and conditions. Click Agree and Continue. Remember, Spoonflower recommends that your design be in 150 dpi resolution, RGB color mode, and in JPEG or PNG file format. And here you go. Spoonflower will show your design on this beautiful Spoonflower product mockups. The next step is click here that says not proved in blue color. This is the new feature on Spoonflower that allows you to test your design whether it is seamlessly repeated or not, or without showing any lines on the edges. Click start and these are the instructions. First, the pink outline shows the edges of your uploaded pattern design and use the zoom button to zoom in and out. Thirdly, click and drag on the edges to identify any mistakes. Sometimes you might miss some elements that need to be repeated on both sides. Look for that. Once you have checked everything, click looks good. It will automatically prove your design. Next, click on edit thumbnail. Select the one that you prefer and click save. The selected one will appear on your design thumbnail. And below that, you can see file options. Click that. Three options will appear. The first one is replace current file. If you want to replace your current pattern, you can use that. Second option is to download your pattern, and third option is to delete it. The first option is really helpful because you can come back anytime and replace your design. Next, go to edit products, click edit, and here there are so many options. And in the preview option helps you visualize how your design will look within those measurements. And the one I'm going to use is scale option. Currently it is 100%. I'm going to scale it down to 50% and click save. If you upload your design at 300 dpi resolution, Spoonflower will make your pattern twice as big as it is. This is because it converts your pattern into a 150 dpi resolution, which is why your pattern looks bigger on the product mockup. I usually upload my designs at 300 dpi resolution because the scale becomes large and it's perfect for wallpaper. And then I scale it down to 50% for fabrics. Here I just leave it as it is and back to your design page. The next step is to edit the title and description. Here, be more specific when describing your pattern and include more keywords that people might search for. For example, here I say a transparent watercolor tulip floral design featuring a textured floral pattern in multiple colors. This way, if someone searches for colorful watercolor tulip floral design, my design will appear. For keywords, there are many categories such as style, season, pattern, and colors. Click on that and select the one that best describes your design. Okay, I'm going to select here floral, and then for season, spring, and here bold. Yeah. Next, I can still add 10 more keywords. So for keywords, my tips are be more specific and think about what people might search for in search engines. And thirdly, follow the Spoonflower social media page because they often share about trendy themes, motives, and color palettes. Sometimes they even share trending search keywords like here flowers. It's one of them. And lastly, notice other artists whose designs are selling well on Spoonflower and observe their keywords. And that's it. I hope this helps you with adding keywords. Here, I didn't add any such kind of images in my design, so just leave it as it is and click save. If you want, you can also add additional details as well. Next, click on save and select the products that you want your design to be on. I selected first two products, and if you want your design to be on fabric and tea towels only, you can select the last one. Lastly, you can enter this design into a design challenge. Spoonflower conducts a design challenge every other week. You can participate in that. I specially designed this design um for the bold floral design challenge. Here, select the design challenge, bold florals, and then I didn't add any age generated images. Click that. Of course, my design reflects the theme. Hit yes. And these are my title and description. And click submit entry. Now you will receive an email from Spoonflower team that says thank you for submitting your design. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If in case you missed watching this series, I'll link it here. And stay tuned for the next video about creating mockups. Bye. Take care.